Hey, how y'all doing? Welcome to 1K Yellowdiamond channel. Yes, y'all, I had to do a voiceover. But as you can see, I am making avocado dip to go with my, oh my goodness, pork belly, my crispy pork belly. I had did these dips, but I think I did not put it in the video with the pork belly. But here we are, we making it, right? I'm going to show you all how to do the avocado guacamole dip and an Asian inspired dip. So right now I'm just chopping up the avocado. I'm putting it in the bowl, removing the seeds. Make sure your avocado is not green on the outside and it's nice and soft, not too soft. You don't want it like a mushy soft. You still want it to still have like some type of firmness to it. And I'm also adding some lemon juice, probably about, now that was 2 avocados, probably like a teaspoon of lemon juice. I'm gonna squeeze a half of lime juice in the avocado. And the avocado, you can actually make it the way you want to. This avocado, I'm kind of making it with a little twist, just a tiny twist. I have added a lot of other things in my avocado before, but this time I just added some ranch dressing, a little sugar, and I think I also added some Slap Your Mama season, but you'll see if I did. Yeah, so we're just mixing it up, getting it all ready and combining it together so it can be delicious, right? I knew it. I added some Slap Your Mama season. I don't know why I didn't use my diamond dust. I used some Slap Your Mama season, but hey, it's still good. I did add a little bit more lemon juice, but like I said, the lemon juice was total, probably like a teaspoon of lemon juice. Now here I'm preparing to make the Asian inspired sauce. That's some soy sauce, probably about 1/3 of soy sauce. I wish I had more honey, but I didn't, so that's probably like a half a tablespoon of honey. Some crushed red pepper. I wanted more crushed red pepper, but hey, we just use what we have, right? And I think that probably was like a half a teaspoon of crushed pepper. That's some garlic. I did 2 cloves of garlic. Just chopping it up here. You want to chop it up fine because when you dip whatever you dip in here, your chip, your toast, your meat, your chicharrones, your pork belly, you want to make sure you get every little flavors on that dip. Now right there is what is that? Ginger. Y'all bear with me. That's some ginger. Fresh ginger I'm chopping up and gonna put it inside the sauce. I'm gonna mix it up. We're gonna taste it to see if it needs anything else. Yep, it needed a little bit onion powder, and I think I added some garlic powder too. And then we're going to just chop up some green onions for aesthetics or for flavor. Green onions is a very mild onion. Here we just prepping it up because we're getting ready to taste. Now you know I don't cook or make anything without tasting with you all. Now, the first bite we tasting with our we did not fry that, baked crispy pork belly, and it was so good. The avocado, I really like the avocado with that crispy pork belly. And the Asian sauce, it was okay. Now the sauce was good, but with the crispy pork belly, it was but I love it with the avocado. So thank y'all for joining me. I hope you all enjoy. Bye.